Hey there and welcome to our channel, A Degree from YouTube. Lately, due to a flare-up from injury, I have found myself taking a lot more anti-inflammatories like Tylenol, Advil or Ibuprofen, and Aleve while in the process of recovering. As these types of medications can be hard on your stomach and liver in excess, I wanted to find a solution to help with inflammation that also improves the health of your stomach, liver, and overall body as a whole while doing so. Stay tuned to the very end to see what I've learned and how to make one of nature's best remedies compressed into juice shots. Before we get started here, please don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification for all future content. It's 100% free to do, and it would really help out our channel a lot. Now, let's get to the video.
Did it stain my lip?
Not a lot, but...
Can you stain my shirt?
Today, we'll be using our brand new vertical slow press juicer by Covings. Now, you can use any juicer you like, although if you do not have a juicer, you can also use a blender to make this work. Today, we'll be starting with citrus, specifically lemon and lime, which contain a bunch of vitamin C. Consuming citrus, such as oranges, grapefruit, or lemon and lime, are great for fighting inflammation in the body and provide an abundance of antioxidants that are great for rheumatoid arthritis. Also, consuming citrus on a regular basis will decrease the acidity levels in your body, which is where disease states occur. When suffering from inflammation, citrus removes uric acid from your joints, therefore reducing pain. Although daily consistency is key, and if not consumed in juice shots, citrus is great when added to your daily intake of water. Citrus will also help reduce swelling, allowing the body to heal quicker and more efficiently. Not only does it help with swelling, but citrus or vitamin C helps produce collagen, which repairs your skin, blood vessels, connective tissues, and even your bones. The next superpower is the heartwarming root ginger, which has all the same benefits as citrus, but believe it or not, is even more powerful. Not only does it remove inflammation, but it also helps with nerve pain, which can be extremely difficult to treat. Like we said earlier, consistency is key, and if not consumed in juice shots, ginger is also great when supplemented into tea. If you haven't guessed already, the next up is turmeric. Once again, as we are creating an anti-inflammatory cocktail, turmeric has all the same benefits as citrus and ginger, but it does carry its own special benefits as well. Studies have shown that a daily intake of turmeric helps with lowering cholesterol and triglyceride levels. In addition, it may help prevent diabetes and irritable bowel syndrome. Also, studies have shown it may reduce the symptoms of depression and help with preventing certain cancers. Up next is probably one of the most beautiful roots created by nature, beets. Not only do beets reduce inflammation, but they also help reduce harmful compounds in the bloodstream because they are filled with nitrates. For example, people who suffer from fibromyalgia can benefit from the daily intake of beets. Beets are also great for your heart health, as they naturally decrease high blood pressure and help prevent diabetes. In turn, a daily intake of fresh beets can reduce the chances of suffering a heart attack or stroke. One of the best benefits of beets is the increased level of energy you can sustain and stamina they can provide. If you're an athlete, consuming beets is one of the greatest secrets some of the pros use to stay in tip-top shape and increase their performance. Okay, it is now time to combine all these beautiful fruits and vegetables together to create one of the most powerful anti-inflammatory juice shots that nature can provide. Okay, so now that we're done with all our juicing, it is now time to create our juice shots. Just take a second to look at how rich and potent this juice has come out to be. You may have noticed that blueberries are in the mix, which are the most powerful, or at least one of the most powerful, anti-inflammatories that nature has to offer. although they are not best juiced. What I suggest is that you use these blueberries as a chaser to your anti-inflammatory juice shot. Okay, so quick disclaimer here. The information that is included in this video, but not limited to, text, graphics, images, and other material contained in this video are for informational purposes only. No material in this video is intended to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of your physician or qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition or treatment, and before undertaking a new healthcare regimen. Also, never disregard professional medical advice or delay in seeking it because of something you may have seen in this video.